Do you own a house? Do you live on rent? Where do you live? In which part of Pune do you live? What is the name of your society? Do you live in a flat or a bungalow? How many rooms are there in your house? Is your house in a gated society? What floor is your flat on? Do you have a lift in your building? Is there a security guard in your society? Do you have a balcony in your house? How many people live with you? Is there a parking space for your vehicle? Do you have a garden or a terrace? Is your society clean and well maintained? Are there any parks or playgrounds nearby? Do you have 24-hour water supply? Is electricity available all the time? Is there a gym or clubhouse in the society? Do your neighbors live peacefully? Are pets allowed in your society? Is your flat spacious and well ventilated? Do you feel safe in your house? Are you happy with your current home?